Once upon a time in Cherry Creek schools, everyone had their mindset on college. Prepare the students for college. Within the last few years, we've realized maybe we ought to be preparing them for their career and realize that college is just one of many avenues to get there. Take a walk through the building and see how much glass there is. You can stand in one spot of the building, no matter where you are, you're gonna see 5 different pathways, 5 different groups of kids working on their own trade. So you're looking into our infrastructure engineering pathway.
I really do enjoy working with my hands and working here and actually getting to do work rather than sitting on a computer. Like I feel more productive and I feel happier being here.
Even though I don't necessarily want to go into construction, you still get apprenticeships, internships, opportunities that can help you get into a good college or get hired after college. Without this school, I wouldn't have made these connections.
We praise work ethic here. We praise students pursuing employment. By doing so, not only is this helping the way we're educating our kids, but the way we're perceiving employment as a community.